Every man wants to look his best, and a significant part of that is having healthy and stylish hair. However, many men face common hair problems that can be frustrating and affect their self esteem. In this video, we will discuss 5 of the most common men's hair problems and offer some solutions to help you tackle them. Number 1. Dandruff Dilemma. Dandruff is a common issue among men, causing embarrassment and discomfort. Using an anti-dandruff shampoo with ingredients like pyrithione, zinc, or ketoconazole can help combat dandruff. For those dealing with the never-ending battle against dandruff, I highly recommend Nizoral AD Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. It's designed to combat dandruff at the root, leaving your scalp refreshed and dandruff-free. Number 2. Thinning troubles. Hair thinning is a concern for many men as they age. Solution. Consider using minoxidil to promote hair regrowth or consult with a dermatologist about hair transplant options. Rogaine Men's Hair Regrow Treatment here to help. It's clinically recommended to regrow hair so you can enjoy a fuller head of hair and regain your confidence. Number 3. Greasy hair woes. Excessive greasiness can make your hair look unkempt and unattractive. Solution. Use a clarifying shampoo to control excess oil and ensure you wash your hair regularly. Greasy hair can be a real frustration, but Neutrogena Anti-Residue Clarifying Shampoo is your solution. It thoroughly cleanses your hair and scalp, removing excess oil buildup for a fresh and clean feel. Number 4. Split ends suffering. Split ends can make your hair appear damaged and untidy. Solution. Regularly trim your split ends and use a conditioner to keep your hair healthy and prevent further damage. To combat split ends, an excellent solution is the It's a 10 Hair Care Miracle Leave-In product. It helps protect your hair from damage and leaves it looking healthy. Number 5. Itchy scalp struggles. An itchy scalp can be irritating and embarrassing. Solution. Consider using a medicated shampoo or a soothing scalp treatment to alleviate itching and discomfort. If you have been dealing with an itchy scalp, the Maple Holistic Tea Tree Oil Shampoo and Conditioner Set is your go-to choice. It's infused with tea tree oil to soothe irritation and promote a healthier scalp. These products have been carefully selected to address specific hair concerns, and many users have seen remarkable results. To find out more about each product and how they can work for you, check out the links in the video description below. In conclusion, these are 5 common men's hair problems and potential solutions to address them. Remember, maintaining healthy hair often requires a combination of proper care, the right products, and in some cases, professional guidance. By taking proactive steps, you can ensure that your hair always looks its best, boosting your confidence and overall appearance.